Thousands of people remain stranded in various ports nationwide due to Tropical Storm Quinta. Those stranded were in ports in eastern Visayas, Bicol, Central Luzon, Metro Manila, and northern Mindanao. The Philippine Coast Guard has barred sea vessels from leaving ports to prevent any disaster. This report.
The Philippine Coast Guard remains on heightened alert in areas affected by Tropical Storm Quinta. Coast Guard Commandant Rear Admiral Rodolfo Aizorena wants to ensure Coast Guard personnel are on their toes and ready to extend necessary assistance to those in need.
Tinaas na natin yung alert level ng lahat ng units natin ngayon. In fact, continuous sa monitoring natin ngayon at napakarami ng stranded passengers.
5,400
latest count I think is 5,800 plus na. Yung vessels na hindi natin inalaw na lumayag, nasa 80 plus na rin. So continuous to hanggat may typhoon warning signal, we will not allow any vessel to sail.
According to Rear Admiral Aizorena, they have canceled trips of sea vessels after Pagasa raised storm signals and alarms over a wide area of the Visayas and Mindanao, including the provinces of Mindoro, Romblon, and Marinduque.
Pati yung mga small fishing boats, bawal na mula pa nung 24 pa, nagwa-warning na tayo. Nandito ako kahapon, dito ako nagpasko para lang i-monitor yung developments ng lahat ng area na apektado ng typhoon.
He also directed Coast Guard units to help 3,593 stranded passengers in the ports of Calapan, Mamburao, Romblon, Lucena, and Batangas. At least 10 roll-on, roll-off vessels and 290 rolling cargoes were also not allowed to sail from those ports. Close to 6,000 passengers were also reported stranded in Catbalogan, Samar, Maasin, Leyte, Bicol, Dumaguete, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, Osamis, Butuan, Dapitan, and Iloilo. Also barred from sailing in those areas were 82 vessels, 23 motor bancas, and 163 rolling cargoes.
Yun nga po ang lagi naming ini-insist sa mga shipping companies, and so far very cooperative po sila, and ang panawagan lang namin yung mga fishermen, hindi ko makalis na o medyo lumayo yung barko maglalayag na, pag yung weather, makinig sa advisories ng Pag-asa para makita natin kung malaki pa yung alon at pwede na maglayag.
Meanwhile, the PWH Undersecretary for Operations Romeo Momo assured that major roads are now possible in Regions 8 in southern Leyte, Eastern Samar, and Region 13 or Agusan del Sur. He said these roads were temporarily closed due to landslides, floods, and damaged approaches to bridges.
Ang medyo may malaking damage lang natin ang Region 8, no? Dahil doon naglandfall sa southern Leyte at ang reported na closure natin so far kaninang umaga ay yung daang Maharlika, Mahaplag, Sugod Road, ano? Yung area, yung section na yan, malapit yan sa Agas-Agas Bridge, no? Malapit sa approaches ng Agas-Agas Bridge. May soil erosion, yung totally covered ang buong 2 lanes, no? So kaninang umaga, inumpisahan na nilang ang removal at by 1 o'clock kanina 1 o'clock ay ito si Regional Director ng half lane na ang passable, no?
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfect.